9Q21 here. Okay, bruh. Hey guys, it's 9Q21 here. Today we are playing.
Oh my god.
Not to Freddy's 3. Oh, what did I just do? Cheat mode. Plushies. I want plushies. Let's continue. Night 3. Last time we left off at night 2. Obviously, that's why it says night 3. Dirt.
And I died. It's about hope.
Oh my god. I'm here with my friend. We're taking turns. So like I think one night could get him through a couple matches, and then I'll have him like do one night and play. If you see Kai Manon, pick up the phone and tell him use the freaking call. I started that. Okay, I forgot. Need to be checking stuff.
Who's a good boy, Jojo?
I was too busy talking.
Who's a good boy, baby? Who's a good boy,
Okay. Yeah, what's up, Jojo? Okay, Chica's obviously in the kitchen. That's what's with the pots and pans.
I'm petting my doggy.
Oh, dude, you can go Sky.
You Skywalker. Playing Battlefront, bro. On the Xbox One S. And who's that guy? Look, you also block. Like that, you can like block it. It was like just
Yeah. Wait a second, I need to be checking stuff. What am I doing? Caleb, stop distracting me. I was just looking at Foxy the entire time. His magnificentness. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't do anything last time, I noticed that. But oh my god, Jojo, stop assaulting me. Hey, Chica's in the kitchen. Go, compadre. Nope. Just in time. Just in time.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
Oh yeah. Get back there, you stupid crap. Oh yeah, guys, comment down below what is your favorite animatronic. Comment down below who would you be if the system not Comment down below. Or who's your favorite character? My personal, I know I said this last time. That ho. Freddy, why you a laugher? Are you kidding me? They're making the drill maneuver.
I died by Darth Vader. I did 2 damage to him.
Freddy, you're an a-hole.
A princess is going to die. Oh no.
Right here. All I need to like check the halls in the corner.
Time is it? Oh, it's 8.
Chica's in the kitchen. Freddy's laughing. I don't like that laugh. 5 a.m. 5 a.m. I'm going steady. Now I'm screwed. It's Golden Freddy. No, it's not. I'm joking. I love that song.
Oh, Freddy's not even in that game.
Yeah, he is.
Golden. Oh,
He's
yeah,
a rare jump scare. I was looking away. I was looking away. That didn't even like scare me. I was just looking away.
You should play Sister Location then.
I can't.
Why?
It's not for tablets.
You got those seats. They go on the bench.
No.
Huh?
No.
Well,
Oh, I think. What's her name?
that sucked.
Let's
go again.
I think Mindy took them.
You're
I got him. I got him, Caleb.
You're an a-hole.
Look, I got him.
You're an a-hole, guys.
Oh, you look, I didn't do it to you when you first came in. Well, I was passed out, so.
Oh my god, stop opening my god. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, I'm sorry. I'm gonna end it short here because I just had a heart attack in like 5 seconds.
Oh.
How dare you?
Well, goodbye and subscribe.